Welcome back to the Backyard Garden Guide. Have you ever wondered why basil is one of the most loved herbs in the world? From kitchen gardens to professional farms, basil is grown in nearly every corner of the globe. But here's something many people don't know: basil isn't just one plant. There are several different varieties, and each one has its own unique taste, aroma, appearance, and purpose. Some basil varieties are sweet and mild. Others have spicy, peppery, citrus, or even clove-like flavors. Some are perfect for cooking, while others are valued for their traditional uses and fragrant leaves. In today's video, you'll discover the most popular basil varieties, learn how they taste and smell, explore their uses and benefits, and find out how easy it is to grow basil at home, even if you've never grown a plant before. So stay with me until the end, because I'll also share which basil variety is best for beginners. Let's get started. What is basil? Basil is a leafy herb belonging to the mint family. It is grown for its aromatic leaves and is commonly used in cooking, herbal preparations, and home gardens. Basil thrives in warm weather, grows quickly, and can be cultivated in containers, raised beds, or directly in the ground. Its versatility is one reason why gardeners and home cooks love it so much. Sweet basil. Sweet basil is the most common basil variety and is often used in cooking. Taste: sweet, slightly peppery, and fresh. Smell: rich, pleasant aroma with hints of cloves and mint. Uses: pasta dishes, salads, soups, sauces, homemade pesto. Benefits: rich in antioxidants. Contains vitamins A and K. Supports a healthy diet. Sweet basil is often the first basil variety recommended to beginners because it grows quickly and is easy to care for. Thai basil. Thai basil is popular in Southeast Asian cuisine. Taste: slightly spicy with hints of licorice. Smell: strong and aromatic. Uses: stir-fries, noodle dishes, curries, soups. Benefits: adds intense flavor to meals. Produces attractive purple stems. Heat tolerant. Thai basil stands out because it keeps much of its flavor even after cooking. Holy basil. Holy basil, often called tulsi, is one of the most respected basil varieties. Taste: peppery and slightly spicy. Smell: strong, earthy aroma. Uses: herbal teas, garden planting, traditional herbal preparations. Benefits: rich in plant compounds. Popular in wellness traditions. Easy to grow. Holy basil is valued more for its aromatic and traditional uses than for culinary purposes. Lemon basil. Lemon basil is known for its refreshing citrus scent. Taste: light and lemony. Smell: fresh lemon fragrance. Uses: fish dishes, salads, herbal drinks, garnishing meals. Benefits: refreshing aroma. Attractive garden plant. Great companion herb. If you enjoy citrus flavors, lemon basil is definitely worth growing. Purple basil. Purple basil is one of the most beautiful basil varieties. Taste: slightly stronger than sweet basil. Smell: sweet and spicy aroma. Uses: decorative gardens, salads, vinegars, garnishes. Benefits: eye-catching purple leaves. Adds color to gardens. Suitable for container growing. Purple basil proves that herbs can be both useful and beautiful. Cinnamon basil. Cinnamon basil is one of the most unique basil varieties you can grow. As the name suggests, it has a pleasant cinnamon-like aroma that makes it stand out from other types of basil. Its sweet and spicy flavor works wonderfully in teas, fruit dishes, and desserts. In the garden, cinnamon basil also attracts bees and other pollinators, making it both beautiful and beneficial. Taste: sweet with a hint of cinnamon and spice. Smell: warm cinnamon fragrance. Uses: herbal teas, fruit salads, desserts, decorative gardens. Benefits: attractive purple flowers, pollinator friendly, unique flavor for cooking. Genovese basil. Genovese basil is often considered the king of culinary basil. It is famous for its large leaves and rich flavor, making it the preferred choice for traditional pesto. If you enjoy Italian cooking, this is a basil variety you should definitely grow. It is productive, easy to maintain, and provides a steady harvest throughout the growing season. Taste: sweet and rich with a strong basil flavor. Smell: classic basil aroma. Uses: pesto, Italian dishes, pasta sauces, pizza toppings. Benefits: highly productive, excellent culinary herb, easy to grow. How to grow basil. Now let's talk about growing basil. Step 1. Choose a sunny location. Basil loves sunlight and grows best with at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. Step 2. Use well-draining soil. Healthy soil helps roots develop properly and prevents waterlogging. Step 3. Plant seeds or seedlings. Plant basil seeds lightly beneath the soil surface or transplant young seedlings carefully. Step 4. Water consistently. Keep the soil moist but not soggy. Step 5. Pinch off flower buds. Removing flower buds encourages the plant to produce more leaves. Step 6. Harvest regularly. Frequent harvesting helps basil become bushier and more productive. Beginner encouragement. If you're new to gardening, don't be intimidated by basil. Basil is one of the easiest herbs to grow. It germinates quickly, grows rapidly, and rewards gardeners with fragrant leaves throughout the season. You don't need expensive equipment or years of experience. A container, quality soil, sunlight, and regular watering are often enough to get started. Every experienced gardener was once a beginner, and basil is one of the best plants to help you build confidence. Which basil is best for beginners? If you're just starting out, sweet basil is usually the best choice. It grows fast, tastes great, adapts well to containers, and is useful in many recipes. Once you're comfortable growing sweet basil, you can experiment with Thai basil, lemon basil, holy basil, and purple basil. In conclusion, basil is far more than just a kitchen herb. From sweet basil's classic flavor to Thai basil's spicy notes, holy basil's traditional significance, lemon basil's refreshing citrus scent, and purple basil's stunning appearance, there's a basil variety for everyone. Whether you want to improve your cooking, beautify your garden, or simply enjoy growing herbs at home, basil is an excellent place to start. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with fellow gardening enthusiasts. Which basil variety would you love to grow first? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening!